Hi, my name is Rita Foley, and I'm here in central Pennsylvania at Goot, Essa, and I'm here to talk about one of my absolute favorite things in the world, and that is cheese. So I'm going to taste the Marne von Berge Kase next. You can see it has what's called an ash rind on it. It doesn't affect the flavor of the cheese, but it actually looks pretty, if you ask me. This is such a buttery, grassy type cheese. I said I smelled grass before, and literally the richness and the creaminess of the goat's milk that goes into this cheese makes all the difference in the world. These cheeses here from Goot Essa are craft-made cheeses. Highly recommend that you come and try the cheeses. Taste them properly, and then think about pairing them. I will tell you one of my favorite things to do with this particular cheese is to put it on a cracker with some of Goot Essa's own Rebecca's Strawberry Cranberry Preserve. It is the perfect foil to this. The other way I like to eat this is with a little bit of smoked trout on homemade focaccia, and that's a meal. So the pairing of the sweet cuts through the creaminess and the richness of that cream. It is absolutely delightful. I highly recommend that you learn how to taste cheese, learn what you like, come out here to Goot Essa, try their cheese, enjoy their cheese, and try pairing it with different foods in your home.